Changing the battery in a 2020 Chevy key fob is one of those tasks that sounds more intimidating than it really is. I know because I put it off for way too long, not knowing it takes literally 4 minutes. Most people don't know the signs. When your fob starts lagging or only works if you're awkwardly close to the car, your battery's on its last legs. It's not the car's fault, and no, you don't need a dealership visit. The battery type you need is a CR2032 coin cell. They sell them in packs of 2 or 5 for like $3 at Target or any drugstore. These little batteries are everywhere, even in greeting cards and old-school bathroom scales. First step, flip the key fob over and locate the seam where the front and back meet. The 2020 Chevy fob has a subtle groove near the key ring slot. That's your entry point into the Matrix Neo. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, or in my case a very stubborn butter knife, because that's what I could find. Slide it gently into the groove and give it a little twist. Not hard. It's not a Pringles can. Once it pops open, you'll see the motherboard-looking stuff inside, and right in the middle is the coin battery. CR2032 engraved like a whisper from the 1990s. Gently pop it out with your fingernail or screwdriver. Here's the important part. Make sure the new battery goes in with the plus side facing up. That's the smooth, clean side. It's literally printed on the battery, yet people still reverse it and wonder why their remote won't work. Snap the fob back together with a firm press. You'll hear a few satisfying clicks like Lego bricks coming back to life. That's when you know it's sealed correctly. No duct tape required, which I've seen unironically. Now go test it on your car. Lock, unlock, maybe remote start if you're fancy. It should work like new. If not, maybe double check that battery orientation. Or you got a fake Amazon battery. That happens more than you'd think. Pro tip, write the battery change date on a little note and stick it in your glove box. Because if you're like me, you won't remember when you swapped it last. It'll save you that gas station panic moment in December. Every vehicle owner should know this. Dealerships charge $15 to $40 for something you can DIY in under 5 minutes. Multiply that across 3 cars in a household and you're hemorrhaging pizza money every year. I live in Portland, and trust me, when your fob dies during a rainy Trader Joe's parking lot run, it's a specific brand of humiliation. Rain-soaked, holding frozen cauliflower gnocchi, and clicking at a car that ignores you. Never again.